Hello everyone. This is the MeshInspector team with a new tutorial. Today, we will show you how the Select Region tool works. You can find it under the Select tab. The tool allows you to select a region on a mesh by defining a few seed triangles that belong to the target area. If necessary, you can also manually specify several triangles that should remain outside it. MeshInspector then calculates the region boundary automatically by minimizing the sum of metric values along the boundary. Once you click Select Region, the selection mode is activated automatically. You can see this because the object turns white. You can choose one of the 5 available selection options and specify whether MeshInspector should include back-facing triangles or select only visible ones. To mark our target region in the middle of the model, we choose Lasso. Then, we draw around the required area. The selected triangles are highlighted in red. To make this process more convenient, MeshInspector offers a range of hotkeys. Here, we hold Command or Control to add to the previous selection and continue marking the area. Also note that the Select Back Triangles option is enabled, so the triangles oriented away from our camera are also selected. Next, click Select Region Part. The selected triangles are converted into region seeds and highlighted in green. If necessary, you can also manually select triangles that should remain outside the target region. Otherwise, MeshInspector will assign the Not Region Part automatically. To do this, make sure the Manually Select Not Region Part option is enabled, and mark the relevant triangles. For this step, we will first use Brush, focusing on visible triangles. We mark the required area in several steps while holding Command or Control. Then we return to Lasso to exclude the upper part. After that, we click Select Not Region. The Not Region triangles are highlighted in gray. This additional step is optional, but it can help refine the calculated boundary. You can also switch between the 3 available curvature preference options used for boundary calculations. Geodesic selects the shortest boundary. Convex favors a longer boundary passing through convex areas, while concave favors a longer boundary passing through concave areas. In our example, we use geodesic. Finally, click the Select button to calculate the region. MeshInspector automatically identifies the boundary based on the selected seed triangles, and the resulting region is highlighted in red. To turn the selected region into a separate part, we return to the Select tab and click Selection to Object. The selected region becomes a separate object, ready for further operations. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to isolate additional regions and create multiple separate parts, based on the source object. If you are not satisfied with the result at any stage, use the back buttons next to Select Region Part and Select Not Region to undo the corresponding selections and make corrections. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.